Hi, hello. In this video, let's discuss about the profitable setups, how you can day. Now you have learned the simple moving averages, you have learned exponential moving averages, and you learned the RSS part. Now let's talk about how you can make, how or you can mint money or you make profit. So let's talk about the first thing. Let's add the first indicator, moving averages. Um, moving averages, moving average cross. Let's add, I think we discussed about this, and let's add MACD or RSI. Let's add the RSI part, relative strength index, and then let's add MACD also. We'll talk further MACD about in other courses, but let's talk about add MACD. And we talked about Fibonacci retracements. Let's add the retracements part. So let's think, maybe I'll add the retracements later on, but this is in a trades. Let's think, now you have added all the three things. I think first of all, you do not straight away add the RSI, MACD, and this one. First you try to understand these small things, then later on we can understand the crossing part, all those things, convergence, moving average convergence. For example, what I would say is, what I'm trying to say is, just hide this and hide this. Just go with this first. So here the first cross has happened. So it says, is it a good entry to buy? How can we make sure that is not a false entry? So let's unleash this. Okay, this is almost at the highs. It's up 70s, and since it started moving, as I said in the RSI class, if it is crossing 60, then it's accelerator. So let's see what it says here. Here the cross is saying somewhere here, it is the probability, it is on the upper zone only. So there is a probability that the stock will go on rise movement. So let's modify this to somewhere around, not to the 70s part, but let's move it to input style to somewhere around 60 here. And then let's make this into line, and then the color changes to green, and the bigger one. Let's see how you will clearly see how the changes are happening. And let's make it 20 here, and let's not keep the middle part, and you can see how. See, if the stock every time the stock just crosses this level, boom, it never, it's like accelerator. Even here the first time it moved almost like 100 points variation, here 500 points. You can see that movement is happening. So should I enter the cross? I don't think this is the good cross to consider. So let's delete this and just have an indicator of just simple moving averages or SMA part, moving average simple, or SMA. Here you can see the line part. So here let's make this as 50, and let's see how things are panning out. So can you pick it up here? Again, very less chance, but let's see it here. Let's see it here. Yes, this is a good chance if it crosses the next. Yeah, this is the point. If you see the RSI is low, the RSI is ready to enter the 60 zone, and if you are a momentum or a swing trader, this is a perfect setup where you can enter. Let's go to this side and see how. Yeah, this is the second time you can see. I think this is the, again, there are many opportunities if you are just ignoring the noise from the SMA side. I'm not saying you should ignore, but let's hide this one. From a MACD side and RSI side, even if I MACD thing, just look at the trades, how it is happening. I think I said about the 20s. Let's see when was the last time the 20s. Clearly you can see, I think hardly you will see in indices side the 20 part. But let's take stock like Reliance. In Reliance also you will hardly see that 20 is hitting hard. Is very tough. Even when the stock is falling almost like 20-30%, you will not see that happening. So somewhere here you have seen it. This is also during the 20s, and this is this time. So I think the opportunities are very rare. If it comes to 20, just take it. Keep an alerts on your mission. So like if you say alert simple RSI, not the bullish, less than somewhere around 25, I'd say like 22, value less than 22, then you keep this order, create an order. If you want to keep day level, this is Reliance 1 day regular trading, 14 close, less than value 22, and just create it. And boom, when it triggers, what you will do? Buy the stock, not the selling. So because it's oversold and there is no pressure left in the stock. So I would say like that's one thing. Let's go to the Nifty back, Nifty, and MACD. I think let us uncover the MACD part. So anytime when you see RSI is low, maybe you'll see the weekly level. The RSI is low and the MACD is also at low. I think that is a good time you should enter the stock. So let's take about another stock here just for an example. This is other stock like Medanta. I don't see, this doesn't have much data out here. So let's go to the Bitcoin, which is very interesting here. So every time the Bitcoin came up to this level, if you see the SMA part, also the averages part, let's see the input styles. Let's make that input style RSI based, this one, and thick. Maybe you will make it color thick so you will easily see it. See, this is also RSI. When it forms here, closes above, and if you see 38, 39, and it start moving, and it never came below this Bitcoin, whatever 17,000 levels at a weekly level, if you see. And the good thing is MACD is low and MACD has crossed. If you see here, I don't know what is this level, 20,000, but I will not take this one. This is a solid move, it has happened here. Maybe I'll keep my entry here, and then I will ride this 20,000 and it goes on like this. So you need to gold. Let's see the gold part. The same thing with the gold. Entry here, MACD is down, RSI is down, and the cross has happened here. The signal has crossed over the line. Boom, you enter the trade and the trade continues to make the money for you. Gold. Silver, let's see the silver part. The same thing with the silver part, it's just moving. And Nifty, let's see the Nifty part. Nifty is also the same case. At the bottom it has happened. If you see that weekly level, let's go to the daily level. Daily level also, it's a very rare to see the Nifty coming down nowadays in the bull markets. So here, this is the first time I think it came. So here I think 19,000. Now it is again coming down. So if it comes down, I think you can buy something. So overall strategy wise, profitable strategies, I would say one is this. One is MACD and RSI both down. So other thing is from setups point of view, if you just have the cross, EMA cross, let's have the EMA cross, moving average exponential. If you want to have, okay, yeah. I think this is fine. I think let's delete this and let's have just stripe the cross, so you will find out the cross, moving average cross. So you can enter the trades here also, but I would say, like, I think I was talking in the thing. Let me show you how you can adjust your inputs. So here, see how the stock is behaving. So come down, don't go. So people, what they will say is 13, 11, considering 2 more weeks, and 2 weeks, and some time like 2 weeks, 2 months. 2 months you'll be around 40 trading sessions. So 2 weeks, 2 months, I think this is 41, 42. If you see here, this is a classic case setup. I think I paid almost $1,000 to know this, so I'm just giving you for free. Institutions traders uses this a lot on a day level, so you can clearly see this has formed very near. This is also formed very near. So this is also formed very near, so the trades are very near if it's forming like this. So I would definitely recommend you to look at this, and if you have the support from MACD and the if you have the support from MACD and the RSI, I would definitely say you should consider buying this. Short term, again, you can consider this. Because this acts as an let's make it five working days for 1 week, and this is for the 10. If it's clearly same, you might have more and more mishaps, but you have to see what kind of trader you have if you want to really enter 21, or you can consider 27, considering you are 27 nakshatra. So you can take this position here. You can see, no, I don't want to do that. If you want to more less number of signals, so 42, it makes sense a lot. 42 or 50 also. Do not consider, 42 should be good. So that way I think you will make good. So if I have to take, I will trade somewhere here when the cross happen, and somewhere here when the cross happens, because I know what's going to come. If the cross really supports here, then no way I'm going to lose the money in the stocks or the underlying whatever I'm investing. I think these are the profitable setups things. So have a good time, have a good profitable trade time. Thank you, and bye all. And if you really want to have a good connection with me, life-changing mentorship program, join that and connect with me. You have my LinkedIn profile. We can connect there. Thank you. Bye all.